welcome back to the second session. And the first one now is going to be Muhammad Taimur. Muhammad Taimur. And after Taimur, we will have Muhammad Tayyab. And after that, we will have Muqaddas. Okay. Has Taimur joined? Muhammad Taimur. Okay, he will join in a moment. He's ready to stay. After Muqaddas, do we have Muttahir Ali with us today? I can't find Muttahir Ali. Okay. Munib Ahmed Abbasi. I can't find Munib Ahmed Abbasi. Naveed Ahmed. No, Naveed Ahmed. Nurul and Khalid. No, Nurul and
Yes, sir, I am here.
Acha, Nurul and. So you would be presenting today, beta. Are you ready today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after Muqaddas.
Okay, sir.
Oh, thank you. Is Taimur back? Muhammad Taimur?
सर उसका आई थिंक नेटवर्क इशू आ रहा है.
I see. So, Muhammad Tayyib, can you start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start. Share your presentation.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wow.
So my topic is teen smoking. So first of all, what is smoking? Inhalation or exhalation of fumes from burning tobacco in cigars, cigarettes, and pipes. Then move to teen smoking. It's very common habit among teenagers. Nicotine in cigarettes causes addiction. Nicotine has harmful effects. Now, what is cigarette? Tobacco, nicotine, and some other substance wrapped in a paper contain cancer-causing chemicals used by every class of people, commonly among youth. Now let's talk about the composition of cigarette. The gas phase of cigarette smokes include nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, acetaldehyde, methane, hydrogen cyanide, nitric acid, acetone, acrolein, ammonia, methanol, hydrogen sulfide, and hydrocarbons. Now, smoking leads to another types of drug addiction, that is, smoking can be started at any age. Smoking can further lead to e-cigarette and vape, tobacco and nicotine, crystal meth, cocaine, alcohol, heroin, LSD, and weed. Now, factors that affect our teenagers to smoke. First of all, peer pressure, independence, relief stress and anxiety, media, parents, smoking in educational institutes. So let's talk about the national statistics. Each day, nearly 3,000 teenagers have their first cigarette. Smoking starts mostly at the age of 16. 65% teenagers agree that their parents are aware of their smoking. 90% of teenagers know about harmful effects of smoking. 75% teenagers have attend anti-smoking sessions. Now, let's talk about the preventions. Set a good example, take addiction seriously, get involved, avoid smokers' company, engage yourself with healthy activities. How to quit smoking? Throw all the cigarettes, consider non-nicotine medicines. Now, the conclusion of my presentation is the government should start the public service message, smoking is injurious to health. And that's from my side. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It was brief and it was Good to certain extent. He was Muhammad Tayyab. Next is Muqaddas. Beta, please share. Is Muqaddas there? Did she rejoin this session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, share your presentation. Hurry up, beta Muqaddas. If there's a problem, we can give chance to another speaker. Taimur, wait for a moment if Muqaddas shares. Otherwise, we will be given the chance. Muqaddas, are you there, beta? I think Muqaddas has some problem. Okay, Taimur, please share your presentation.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, please start. What is happening? Please start.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Taimur, and today I am gonna tell you about teenage smoking. So my topic is teenage smoking. So first we know what is smoking. Smoking refers to the inhalation and exhalation of fumes from burning tobacco in cigars, cigarettes, and pipes. So talk about harmful effects of smoking: heart disease, stroke, emphysema, lung, throat, stomach, and bladder cancer, increased risk of infections like bronchitis and pneumonia. Bad skin, skin tumor, bad breath, bad smelling clothes and hair, reduce athletic performances, increased risk of illnesses, greater risk of injuries, and slower healing time. Reasons for teenagers to smoke. Some want to act cool or act like someone special or dangerous. They want to get attention. They are curious about cigarettes, peer pressure. They are stressed or nervous. Peer pressure is the most common cause of teenage smoking. Peer pressure and stress can lead to a teenager turning to smoking as an outlet. Studies have shown that peer pressure is among several factors as to why teenagers turn to illegal substances, not only drugs, but alcohol as well. Especially when a teenager becomes overwhelmed, they look at their only way out of it is to either get high of drugs or alcohol. What are the steps to quit smoking? Step 1, prepare to quit. Step 2, find medication to help you quit smoking. Step 3, surviving your first week. How to prevent teen smoking? Though teenagers are going to do what they please regardless of the parent, there are actions that can be taken to aid in the prevention of teenage smoking. Talk to your child about the risk factors of smoking. Appeal to your teen's vanity, meaning warn them of the physical damage smoking can lead to. Tell your teen that smoking is not allowed. Your strong opinion has an impact on your child's decision. If your child is not smoking, applaud them for their good decisions and then go into detail about the effects of it, as well as asking them about the company they keep and whether or not they smoke. Thank you.
Good. That was Muhammad Taimur.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Mukaddas. Is she ready? Do we have Mukaddas back to the class or not? I think she had some internet problem and she hasn't been able to be joined. Next, I had asked Nurulan. Nurulan, are you ready, beta?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay, please share your presentation.
Sir, I am audible to you.
Yes, you are audible, but your presentation is not shared yet, beta.
Sir, I am sharing it, but
First, you need to touch the green button on your cell phone. Okay. Then you'll find some options. Touch the screen option. Okay. Rotate your cell phone when you open your presentation. Okay, good.
sir,
Please start.
now,
Yes, yes, it is visible. Start.
okay. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum all. I'm Nurulan and I hope you all are fine. So my topic for presentation is the quotes I like the most. So the first quote which I like the most is about failure. You learn more from failure than from success. Don't let it stop you. Failure builds character. So we hear a lot about success stories. Usually success are glorified while the failure are hidden. This could be due to the survivorship or just a habit of the society to just not talk about failure. However, there is a lot of benefit we can reap if we change our perspective of how we view failure and embrace them. So, today I am going to tell you about the benefits of the failure. So, what failure can do for us? Failure can teach you meaningful lessons. Failure can make you stronger, and failure can make you can inspire your creativity, identifies your weaknesses, and build your perspective in a good way. So it's normal to be a fearful of failure. It is difficult for most of the people to accept that they are not good enough. Yet reaching to failure is simply a matter of perspective. Those with the great success understand that failure is simply one of the many stepping stones to success. Never let failure stop you from chasing your dream. And keep this thing in your mind that failure is not fatal. So here are the inspiration, and these are the some of the world's greatest achievements have been made only after many failures. Take the inventor of the light bulb, Thomas Edison. He is said to have made 1,000 unsuccessful attempts before successfully inventing the light bulb, which means 1,000 failures. But he didn't see those 1,000 attempts as a failure, but as an invention with 1,000 small steps. And if we look at all these stories of the famous people who failed, we see a common theme: resistance and motivation. It is not easy to pick yourself up after a failure, but it's definitely possible. And we have a good thing is that we find the motivation to keep fighting, to keep working, and to keep studying is something in your control. So don't lose hope and don't be afraid of the failure, because keep this thing in your mind that failure is not a dangerous thing. The second most favorite quote of mine is: a true friendship refreshes a soul. So we have our friend around us. For, so for me, a friendship means being comfortable around each other in silence. Friendship means being able to tell each other anything and understanding without question. And friendship means being honest with one another, no matter what the cost. So these are the some of the qualities which are most important. One is loyalty, second is compassionate, and honesty and compatibility. So loyalty is the building of a trust with our friends. Then we know we are going to tell them the truth and they keep our promises. And the second is about compassionate. So compassionate means Finally, a deep care and love for one another define a true friendship. Compassion can reveal itself in many frames, like in making time to be with your friend, to giving him or her a thoughtful gift, or simply listening to your friend's voice and wins. Compassion involves sacrifice and empathy. And the third is honesty. A true friend is not only honest about themselves, but they are also honest about you. They give you the honest
Thank you, Beta.
opinions.
Time's up.
Sir,
Thank you very much, Beta.
sir, I don't know about that. के 3 minutes हैं आज भी.
It was 3.5 minutes. I stopped you after
Sir,
3.
I need 1 more minute.
It's okay. It's done. Everyone is given equal time. Some students who finish before time, they are welcome. But even I give 3 minutes 30 seconds. Although 3 minutes is the time. No problem. Thank you very much. Next is who is the next? After Muqaddas, Mutahir, Munib, Nurul, and yes, Umema Shakil. Do we have Umema with us? No. Umema Shakil is not there. Then Uwais Anwar. Uwais Anwar. Is he with us? No. Rabia Rashid or Rabia Rashid.
Yes, sir.
Beta, would you present today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please share your presentation.
So is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible. Yes, touch the play button. That's good. Please start.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Priya, and today I'm going to talk about teen smoking. What actually smoking is? Smoking is inhalation or exhalation of fumes that are cutted from plant materials. Smoking is used to cause many respiratory diseases and cancer. Why do teens smoke? When they are influenced by their friends, they smoke. When they see their adult or relative smoking, they think it is normal to do and they start smoking. One of the main reasons of smoking is media. When they see their role model smoking, they start smoking by thinking it is cool. And one of the major cause of smoking is teenager think that after smoking, it will help them relieving their stress. Addiction of smoking in kids. Cigarette addiction is a serious thing and it can destroy teen mentally, physically, and financially. There are many clinics in Pakistan that help one to get rid of cigarette smoking. Causes of smoking. Smoking can cause lung cancer, heart diseases, diabetes, liver cancer, and loss of eye vision. When one smokes, the fumes of carbon monoxide get mixed with blood and it decreases oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin. How to prevent smoking? By thinking positive, making a plan to quit smoking, considering a diet, identify why do they crave for cigarette, and get some stop smoking support. Thank you.
Nice. This was Rabia Rashid. Next we have, let me check who is on the list after Rabia. Raja Ahmed Suhaib. Is he with us? Raja Ahmed Suhaib? Raja Sahab.
Yes, sir. I am there, sir.
Okay, Raja Sahab, would you present today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please share.
सर एक
Okay, Memun Almas has sent a message about Munib. Munib is not feeling well, that's why he's not giving presentation. It's okay, beta. He can give presentation in the next class.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen is very much visible.
Uh, the person you are listening is Raja Ahmed Soeb. Today, my topic of presentation is organ donation after death should be encouraged. What is organ donation? If you talk about organ donation and transplant is a process of someone giving an organ or a part of an organ to another person who needs an organ transplant. Organ donation has proved to be a miracle for the society. Organs such as kidneys, heart, eyes, liver, small intestine, bone tissues, skin tissues, and veins are donated for the purpose of transplantation. Uh, the causes of the causes of brain death: head injury or bleeding in the brain due to a stroke, among other reasons. Brain dead persons are kept on ventilators to ensure organs remain oxygenated until they are harvested. Nepal recognizes brain death as legal form of death. Brain death, it is the irreversible activity. It is the irreversible end of all brain activity. And next we move on to organs and tissues that can be donated after death. Kidneys organs include kidneys, heart, lungs, liver, pancreas, intestines. And tissues include veins, cornea, heart valves, middle ear, bone, skin, cartilage, tendons, ligaments. Each year, more than 1.5 million people are helped through tissue and eye donation. A living individual can donate a kidney and parts of the pancreas, lung, liver, or intestine, unlike organs. Tissue can be processed and stored for an extended period of time for use in burn cases, ligament repair, bone replacement, and more. Organ donation process. We discuss 2 points: living donors and for deceased donors. For living donors, medical tests before organ donation, psychological evaluation of the donor, consents for it. And for deceased donors that have died, verified that the donor is dead, multiple times a verification of death by a neurologist, body is kept on a mechanical ventilator to ensure the organs remain in good condition. Most organs work outside the body only for a couple of hours, and thus it is ensured that they reach the recipient immediately after removal. Next, we move on to another slide. More than 50 organs can be donated after brain stem death, like kidneys, heart, liver, pancreas, and etc. Now we move to next slide. Organ donation makes it possible for an individual to get involved in this selfless act of saving human life. Your eyes can make a person see the world, and certain organs can make a person breathe, and so on. That's from my side. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay. It was Raja Suhaib, and very nice presentation. Next, after Raja, we have Rimsha Amjad. Is Rimsha Amjad with us?
Yes, sir. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Beta, would you present today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Sir, is my screen is visible?
Yes, it is very much visible. Please start.
Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are doing well. This is Inshamzid, and my topic of presentation is what do you think about student and teacher befriending each other on Facebook, and what are the potential issues? Everything has its positive as well as the negative aspects. The positive aspects are increased accessibility, better connection, and the negative one are privacy, harassment, and age-appropriate posts. We are going to discuss them all in detail in next few slides.
15 मिनट बाद मुक्सी अब्बू.
Raja Sahab.
Positive.
Continue, beta.
The positive one include increased accessibility. Any source or any application that increase the quality and quantity of communication between the instructor and the student can be utilized as an educational tool, like Facebook for education. It is easily accessible. Most of the students not check their email account that are assigned by the university, but they tend to check their Facebook account twice a day or more than that. It is accessible anywhere. Like you can log into your Facebook account even on your friend's cell phone. Better connection. Facebook can be used as an educational tool just because of the number of users it has.
The following data is showing that the Facebook have more number of users as compared to the other application. And according to ResearchGate, 97.1% of students are using this application. Now we are leading forward the negative aspect, which include the privacy. We are very different in our professional and personal life.
Excuse
And
me, Beta Rimsha. Your
yes,
slides
sir.
are not moving. Are you still explaining the first slide? It is only visible to
No,
us.
sir. No, sir. I'm changing slides.
But it is not changing here. Any other student can help me if it is only with my connection and here, or only first slide is
It's not
visible.
moving.
It's not moving, Manur beta?
Yes, sir.
Client isn't moving, sir.
Yes, beta Rimsha. You have to use the slideshow option at the bottom where
Yes,
there is
sir.
some minus and plus signs. Near minus sign, there is kind of a presentation sign that is
Yes, sir.
slideshow,
I'm using that option, the slides option.
but we are only. Can you re adjust it? Stop the presentation, reshare it.
Now they are visible.
Did you play the slideshow option?
Yes, sir.
Just not. It is only showing us the first and others on the side of the screen. It is also up there in the, I think, top left corner. This can also be used.
Sir, what if I change my system?
Uh,
I require some time to change the system.
you can if it is not working like that, you can change the slides on the by clicking them on the side of the screen. Do not use the slideshow option.
Now they're visible.
Only first one, click on the second slide, see if it changes. Yes, you can use in this way.
So whether I start from the beginning?
Start from the second slide.
Okay. Everything has a positive as well as the negative aspect. Same in this case, we have some positive aspect as well as the negative aspect. The positive aspect include increased accessibility, better connection, and the negative ones are privacy, harassment, and age appropriate posts. We're going to discuss them all. The positive one includes increased accessibility. Anything that can improve the quality or quantity of communication between the instructor and the student can be used as an educational tool, like Facebook for Education. Most of the students not check their email accounts that are assigned by the university, but they tend to check their Facebook account twice a day or more than that. It is easily accessible and it is accessible anywhere. Like you can access to your Facebook account even on your friend's cell phone. Facebook can act as an educational tool just because of the number of users it has. The following data is showing that the Facebook have more number of users as compared to the other application. And according to ResearchGate, 97.1% of students are using this application. Now we are moving toward the negative aspect, which include the privacy. We all are very different in our personal and professional life. And when teacher and student become Facebook friends, both of their privacy is threatened because they get access to each other personal data. And students may gain access to information about the teacher that they wouldn't be otherwise, like if they are not Facebook friends. If someone gets access to someone's personal data, this data can be misused. Again, this is a two-edged sword. Just imagine if the teacher and student don't have a good relationship in their class and have connection outside the institute through Facebook and have access to each other personal data, then the Facebook connection will be utilized to harass one another outside the institute. Age appropriate post. Obviously, teacher is an adult and their posts from their friend on their Facebook page that are inappropriate for their student to read and watch. Now, I really want to conclude this whole discussion. And I think we Pakistanis are lagging in most of the stuff like technology, education, infrastructure as compared to other countries. So we have to concentrate on the positive aspect and we have to use the technology for the betterment of education. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Beta. Ramshad was very informative. Uh, nice presentation. The next would be the last presenter for today, and that is going to be, don't know whether Rizwan Khan. Is Rizwan Khan with us? I don't think so. Then Sajid Iqbal. Rizwan Khan is there. Rizwan, are you going to present today? We can't hear you, Rizwan. Say something now.
आवाज आ रही है मेरी? हेलो।
Yes, Rizwan, we can hear you. Will you present today?
ओके सर। यस सर।
Okay. Please share your presentation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sir, is it visible to you?
Yes, it is visible. But rotate the screen of your mobile phone so that the whole screen is filled with the presentation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum. Everyone, my name is Rizwan Khan. Today I am represent my topic, which is what makes country develop. First of all, we want to know what is the definition of developed country. A country in which the people have improved qualities of life and greater access to the basic necessity is generally known as a developed country. What are the characteristics of developed country? A good health system, low unemployment rate, high export than imports, high capital income per year, high GDP, good industrial infrastructure, and good maps of road, advance in science and technology. Next, move on. What are the factors that influence on the country's development? First, political factor. Peace must be achieved for the basic development of any country. No government corruption, because the money which spent on the life of the people goes to the bank accounts of such people. Environmental factor. This is the natural kind of factor which can affect the development of any country. For example, extreme hot or cold weather. Physical factor. Geographical location of any country is very important for their development. For example, if the country have no seaports, then its imports and exports are going to be affected. The fourth one is education. Uneducated and skillful workforce is also main cause of undeveloped countries. What are the countries that are developed? For example, USA, UK, Australia, Canada, France, UAE. Next, I want to move on the cycle of poverty. The factor influencing the development are often linked, and countries can find themselves in a cycle of poverty. For example, if a country is a lot of debt, it cannot afford good schools. If people are poorly educated, they are less likely to understand about the causes of destruction. Destruction led to the poor crops, crop growth, and low income. This leads back to the country accumulating debt, and in the cycle is continuing. Here is the cycle. That's from my side.
Rizwan, this wasn't a PowerPoint presentation. This looks like a PDF page.
Sir, actually, I don't know where I can made it. So I prepared on the word.
Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. I would share the link to attendance. Please mark your attendance first, and then we'll have a few words with each other. In the chat box, I'm going to share the link to attendance.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Yes, please. It's Taimur.
सर वो मेरी अभी स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही थी पहले तो अब मैं कब प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है
Next week, inshallah.
सर थैंक यू
Don't worry. It's okay.
ऑन कैंपस होगी रिमेनिंग स्टूडेंट्स की
If the university is going to open classes in physical form, then it would be there. If we are to continue with this interactive session by Zoom, then I'll be taking presentations here. Yusma says, sir, I have a request, a suggestion to arrange another class in this week. Beta, once when I was trying to start Zoom classes, when they were not yet started with the by the university, they told me do not do anything on your own. Just if university allows it, if anyone, your GR, your CR, can talk to Madam Taskeen, and if she allows, I can give you some time. On Saturday, not Friday, but on Saturday, I can give you some time. If any of your CRs, GRs talk to her for a class, I'll be able to give you the time. But I won't initiate on my own because last time I had announced a Zoom class, but I had got a call from the university that you cannot do it on your own. Yes, I am going to talk about the evaluations, Beta Mahanur Irfan. I'll be recording a kind of lecture in which I'll be talking about what mistakes, what errors, or what positive points were there in students' presentations. I will, or if we have classes there in the campus, then we'll be talking about them there. So, Beta Memuna, if you, sorry, Yusma, it was suggested from Yusma, if you ask Mr. Skeen if she allows. I think there will be physical classes for English. Beta Fatma Riaz, answer to your question.
सर फिजिकल क्लासेस ही होंगी सर नोटिफिकेशन आया हुआ है
What I have been told that a few of the physical classes would be there and some recorded lectures would also be prepared and shared on LMS. So we have less than a minute. Thank you very much. I hope you are all fine, and Beta Yusma and the GR and the CR. If there is any development about that, do inform me before some enough time so that I can arrange a Zoom class. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Allah Hafiz to everyone.
Allah Hafiz, sir.